These cruise ship card lanyards have been voted #1 cruise ship essentials and #1 must-have items. They fit key cards for major cruise lines like Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Disney, Princess, and Celebrity. Each lanyard includes a waterproof ID holder for cruise key cards, cash, credit cards, and other essentials. With features like a quick release clasp and a retractable lanyard, they offer easy and convenient use, allowing you to spend more time having fun than searching for your SeaPass card. These lanyards come highly recommended by leading cruise enthusiasts, ensuring a hassle-free and enjoyable experience on board. Whether you're lounging by the pool, exploring exotic ports of call, or attending exciting onboard activities, these lanyards provide peace of mind and convenience throughout your cruise vacation. Don't miss out on making the most of every moment. Grab your cruise lanyard today and embark on your unforgettable adventure at sea.